Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is Popeye, and that is baby Amelia Sailor.
And we are the RC Sailors.
Welcome to our RC family. We're just so excited to have baby Amelia in this world. Right now, it's extremely windy outside, so we're gonna do a little special video here with this one. Just to have some fun. Popeye's already very curious as to what is going on. Now Popeye's barking because he hears special delivery for baby Amelia. Of course Popeye's gonna bark and have some fun too. He is part of this family. Let's do it, buddy. Look at that. What does Amelia need, Popeye? What does she need?
Everything.
She needs everything right now, but check it out. We have baby wipes. We got diapers all day long. That's about an hour's worth of diapers, by the way. But check it out. Check it out. This is really what we're doing in this video. You know us, we're the RC Sailors. We do RC stuff. We have a military-style RC truck.
By Helifar.
Helifar, yeah. They do drones and things. This is the first time I've seen anything like this from them. So if you guys are interested, we'll have this linked in the description box below. I honestly can't remember how much this was off the top of my head, and I don't want to tell you wrong.
We've got baby brain now.
Yeah. So we'll link this for you below, but this is cool. We have headlights.
Yeah, that's nice.
So when it's dark and you're driving inside and stuff, we'll have some fun with the headlights on that. Comes pre-installed. Unfortunately, the trim is old school. It's down here underneath on the front, right by the on-off switch. Now, the neat thing about this is instead of having traditional shocks, like coil shocks, we have leaf spring shocks. See that?
It's focusing. Okay.
See that? Right there, little leaf spring shock. Now, the funny thing is, this first part, it's almost like a fake leaf spring. The real shock itself is the silver part in here that does all the bending. But then once it bends a little bit, these do help stiffen it and bounce it back. And you have that on all four of these in the rear and the two in the front. Here's how our steering works. It's one of those all or nothing type deals.
You can tell she got used to Popeye's barking inside me.
He normally doesn't bark this much either, but he loves chasing RC trucks. Check this out. It's really six-wheel drive. It is all or nothing. It does come with a little Phillips screwdriver and instructions and a USB charge cable. It's okay, buddy. This is kind of cool too for the rechargeable battery, and it's stored right here.
Oh, neat.
Yes.
That blended in really well.
Yes, very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you are a fan of military, like World War II style vehicles, then I think you would really enjoy this. This is just a fun thing that we could do for this video, bringing in the baby some stuff. I thought that would be kind of funny. And what we're going to do, because it's so windy out, I do want to drive this outside a little bit. We might just do it in our front yard or something. As far as inside driving goes, Popeye can chase and bark for a minute. Oh yeah, buddy. It does pretty well. That's full speed. You just got to kind of keep in mind, it's a toy. This is not, I don't think I would call this hobby grade level.
Oh no, not at all.
No.
Headlights look good.
The headlights do look good. And it's actually six-wheel drive.
She's getting a little fussy, but she's sleeping still, kind of.
There we go. We're going to drive this outside for a few minutes, maybe put a little music to it for you guys. Then we'll come in and let you know what we think of this truck, if it's worth your hard-earned money or not. Check it out. Check it out down here.
Check it out.
Got the truck.
Nice.
That whole thing fit down there.
It's awesome.
So I'm going to drive this and walk Popeye. And Abby is going to...
I'll try to film the truck and not her.
We haven't made it very far yet, but we want to test this in some grass. So let's just check out how our yard goes.
Oh man, it's kind of going.
It's
six-wheel drive.
It's really weak. That's some short grass. It's done. So,
no grass. I didn't think
this
it
is
was.
very much a toy. I've already got parts falling off.
Parts falling off?
Yeah.
No.
Rear view mirror up there.
Oh no.
Or the side mirror, rather. It is just popped out, but still not great. I just need to push that back in there and then glue it. But, just because we got a baby doesn't mean I'm going to say everything's great.
And just so you know from the thumbnail, we did not drive the truck with her in it.
But wasn't that an awesome thumbnail? Come on, buddy. Amelia's first stunt RC. Here we go.
What is she doing? It's not gonna go through, there's a bar back here. There's a bar. Your daddy's crazy.
Good job, girl. Good job, you did it. She did it. Okay, we're back in with our trash there and the RC truck. I think that if you are, and there's Abby and Amelia and Popeye. There's the Popeye. Hey buddy, good boy. Good boy, look at him. Hug me, hug me, hug me. Good boy, buddy. Yes, I think if you love military style vehicles and you just want something affordable and ready to run, this is a decent option. Just know that even though it's 6-wheel drive, it's obviously very weak 6-wheel drive because it couldn't go through our fairly short grass in the front yard. I don't know exactly what scale this is. I would call it like a 1/10 scale size, but because military vehicles are bigger, it's probably more like a 1/16 scale or something. If you're interested in it, we'll have it linked in the description box below. This would actually make a decent Christmas present for someone that likes Army guys and G.I. Joes. You know, a whole G.I. Joe or a Barbie or something would fit in the back of that. And it's just fun. You could haul Legos and Lincoln logs, all kinds of fun stuff. Just, I mean, you could haul your Game Boy in there and drive it around. Very underpowered. The headlights are cool, but it's 100% toy grade on just kind of a hobby grade look. I do like how it looks. It's got those leaf springs and things. And I just want to remind you guys, I think I said at the beginning of the video, if we haven't been very clear about the direction that our channel is headed in, it is the RC Sailors. It's RC and Sailors. It's RC with our family.
No, Sailor is our last name.
It's our last name.
We are the Sailors.
So it's always going to be that, but we're not going to do all these baby heavy videos all the time. If you want to see that, go to our vlog channel, just the Sailors.
One day it'll be caught up.
Yeah, it'll be the vlog channel is still probably at this point.
Couple months behind.
You know, she's not even born yet on the vlog channel, but it's a lot of fun. And I just want to remind you guys, it's not turning into some baby heavy channel or anything.
And our awesome intro that his brother did.
That's right, that's my brother. The intro that you guys saw with the new updated intro and the old one, my brother did that. And so if you're interested in his work and just curious about what he does,
it's always linked below.
You know, have it linked below too, yes. And just, if nothing else, stop by his webpage, linked there, and tell him thanks for doing that. It's a very nice, very, very nice thing for him to do. And something that we just don't have the ability to do.
Yeah, I think a lot of people never even noticed that he added a bump to his stomach during the pregnancy.
Right, that's right. Well, Popeye is ready to play, and Amelia is probably ready for a diaper change. So I don't think all of our RC people want to see all that, at least the diaper change. So if you're interested in this, we'll have a link in the description box below. Amelia says thanks to all of our Patreon supporters because that is kind of helping this channel stay afloat, especially with all the medical bills and stuff. So Amelia says thank you. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!